Have you ever told a story and no one remembered it? The facts were there, the effort was real, but it just faded from your listener's memory. Now imagine a story that sticks, a story that moves hearts, sparks action and changes lives. Stories aren't just words, they are experiences. Stories are payoffs that transform, sensory details that brings scenes alive. Delivery that makes every word make sense. You don't just tell a story, you create a moment they'll never forget. In this course, you'll master your origin, struggle, and vision stories. You'll also learn emotional arcs that connect instantly. Pace, poses, tone, and authenticity. These two you shall learn. You will also learn how to polish and refine stories until they shine. Step by step, you'll go from just being another speaker to someone who commands attention, inspires action, and leaves an unforgettable mark. Stories are nature's gift, and this is your chance to give them back better than ever. Enroll now.